is Mango Tail 680, and yeah, I got another fursuit, and today I'm gonna unbox it. Mango is already a 1/3 fursuit, so I just went for partial, and so I only got a tail, which I already have since before I had Mango. And these are the paws, and I'm assuming in the big one is the head. So let's start with paws. And I already opened it because since last time the unboxing didn't go so well. And to save your time, I already opened it. So let's start with the paws. And I got the paws and the head separately. So I got the paws way before I got the head. And it's a really nice bag. Wait for a second one. Yeah. I'm surprised that they're separately packed. They are quite hard and heavy, but I love the looks of it. And it is cosplay purple as I wanted. Okay, let's go for the second one. But they feel really nice though. Really nice. Okay, I think it's time to get the head. Let's put this over here. And yeah, I already opened this one as well, and I see a bit of purple. And it's made by Cacti Mutt from Instagram. She was open for slots and I just had to have one. And it's a Liberty fursuit, so I decided colors and she did the rest. I don't want to look. But it looks so good for the camera. Okay, I'm gonna look. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Okay, time to put her on.
This is how we party.
Ew. Wow, it's not too bad. The vision isn't the best. I can see a better. The vision isn't the best. I can't really see from this side, but it's not too bad. Oh, there's a package inside. One for Gemaroxa and one for Mango. And I know, as Cacti told me, this one is ginormous. As Cacti told me, this one is ginormous. But I hope it works out. And this one is for Gemaroxa. Such a cutie. there's Gemaroxa written on it. But sure. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing and hopefully I see you soon.